Do you have your own personal handbook? Memakwaba at the Badum TV. Kasa Infonia Fidia or here in a day. You can't Kasa Infonia Fidia, and I'm afraid the TV, no. Kasa Infonia Fidia, I find Adom TV. And then that two job, I say she's over. I can. My dear. TV, about Kayaka TV. I will focus about doing a Kasa Infonia Fidia. Television. Adom TV and now she. The Jumedia way a young cruncher, and what is so big and baby guys I need to go the car. Our Adom TV, made us say. Unim, Onipa. I said, ultimate Tim Grata. I bet her bubra. Me, Mrs. One, because she said there's Nipa here. To share be to say anatomy and physiology. Nipa said there was Sue or Bobby at here. Monsieur said, with Tim said, I will brain tear, cerebellum, Monsieur Nina, Monsieur will nostril with him, Monsieur Nama, a down with him, coagimu, Monsieur, we have a bucca cavity. What in that? Bucca cavity, one only dino, and a Monsieur will take a man, or take a man, and a Monsieur would say, Monsieur Osophagus, Monsieur will bosso or chest, Sir Hannah, and put a comawo, and a Monsieur said, their first year, Juma. And a monsieur said, a touchy man, quite above so Amanaya Juma, and a monsieur a drinny, a mo neanso. And to end our shamedine, and I'm never say, me friend home, mental health practitioner. Was so, then a dead dear, a member from say, may a human being of quality and extreme value. And your Bible no be more better mention, but one casa, first and foremost, to develop your handbook. Identify your real self. And yes, I am cranny. Yes, I am cranny. We are wine. Miniteko, may you be at me shame cry. May you be at me one who shall swear. May you be at me donipa. May you be at me fast semun shemimu. May you be at me dawa daddy. May you be at me wa kudro. May you be at me just me one fe. May you be at me just say me tima ya dear na eswaba mfaso ama ankra. Sana me yo. Wo so ya wine. Yes, all your year new kunu. Unye trader, unye journalist, unye producer. And I say Christopher, you're a cameraman, unye cameraman. You are something beyond what you see yourself to be today. Identify that thing. 2, what is your life purpose? What is the reason why you were made the way you are? Number 2. Number 3, what are your values in life? You can't values are. Nyoma ben esombua usuban utimupo edi achire. Me more values and 9. Nyoma na ya me suban edi achire bako a responsibility. Me no a respect. Me nsa a integrity. And 9 a innovation. And me no na mo me are very responsible for everything I do. Me more be subo, there may be an exam so I make sure I learn to do things right, that I don't commit errors, nor I don't end up blaming others. So I'm very responsible for my actions. Me chika na ka ko pimo anya bonsam na ye. I am responsible for how I live my life. Number 2, I show respect to even the obi a wono na kra me de obuoma no. Me de obuoma wo a na de obuoma me. So second value no your respect. My third value is integrity. Pepe yon no credit. Menchia. Me no na mo ha, me no sre. Then so do mra me hye mra ma wo a obesu. Me kai mra me adwuma ba mu. Man for my officer me say e di na tra be out ha mra wa ha. Sa papa no ne timo odi ogana ne hu se udi mra so se utimo odi. Sebe do di mra so ne timo nya den. Se post ne chi no do ko court na nya se ne timo odi. So do court ko ampa so a. Just wabu mra so. Na Ghana ubu mraso na obetwa so e na ye nto ababiom e na sasem no e ye sebe emo asuban onipa e bo wo no se otimi hye wo so na ye de sefata na tibi jimu se we mi na me yoye na meje ho abodni ana e hu sunsaso. You need to be responsible for the consequences of your life. Integrity no and innovation abribias o se de bia na o twa metra kan so fro me do su kokohua de na me de ababrewo. I innovate and I make sure I have new things to share with others. Therefore, these are the things that guide my life. What are your own values? Another day, if I Google, now call laptop, so now call phone, so and call WhatsApp, you know, I loving you, WW. Type, what are the best values for making a great life? What are the best values for making a purposeful life? What are the best values for creating success? On what type why? Ebe mobi Now they have values. When you be cram, but you have a compassion, a humble, hard work, excellence, teamwork, resource oriented. Ni nyina your values. Efe per baby define your strengths. We all made with a strength. I have a strength in communication. My hard ni ejina kasa so. And ya misua nsem ka kasa ho ebetu nipa fo. Wa hard ni wo he. Obi hard ni ya nwum to. Na metie papa bi efre no em se natarabasi. Se oto nwum na komi mu. Na metie na pay metie akwa bi o se efre no Dave Mens. Me ntini dinda. Akwa na to nwum bi Grace me se kai nwum nie. Saa na me baba estapiesie obi na no a eda soronko. Saa so na me baba eye Obapa Christi ono so bi na no a eda soronko. Obia wo de aduane mu a oye eda soronko. Wo so de ne wo he. Your strengths, your passions, your gifts, your talents. Number 5, which areas would you need improvement? Note it down. A day na say wo hia ka obrabo ho. Which areas would you want to improve? Do you have to improve on your relationship skills? Do you have to improve upon your communication skills? Yes. So there are areas of your life that you have to learn to improve upon. If you knowledge upgrade. Baby, oh yeah, enko ye. One betwani, we share say ye a better form, etwa abe, empo eyi ensafu. Untimi mfin kra nkotwa ensafu akura moboa. This is what share say you know. Wabrabo so ya abedua ya twa to form ansa na wabrabo beso ansafuo no okwa abafa so atwa ehuta abenum na empo ansa na apie wahono enti abrabo no sese hu bebia o mena yowo na usua de usua mpani utampani na ase me amete no mpani bebia ma sua ono kasa ehia ono so ma me de bubra me boy ebi kura me hu onda utwa John Hagee Pastor John Hagee o ma no ne onya madamfo ba me tie na bere biara Ofa obiti say Joel Austin, Ofa Joyce Meyer, Ofa Kefro Dollar, Ofa Empo Miles Moreau. Wonu me nkrofo a meta tie ona oni so na ban adware me. Wo hwa na wo ta tie no. Wo so ready a e ka atwo mia o ka atwa nyomfon. Oba baba ya babofon. Wo so na wo hwe soap opera. Me ka ati kasa wontie. Na wa hwa na ade asa. Oba baba nyoma ye ntia ase. Se wo hwe mfuni a ese unkran nyoma wudi wane hu nyoma ko asomu no ene wo ne enti nenda no because say there na me di bu me bra na ayi the tosunsia you must have what we call adage and our personal philosophies and now your friend is saying special quotes me one of my best quotes you are what you think and pe bia me say adwa me dwene me wo so pe quote bi na twere bo mu ka ase no adware no odamu again no personal quote. Have your own personal quote. You can go to Google and type quotes. Now you dey out there, the better akoma so. Ebini say treat others as you want to be treated. You reap what you sow. Ebini say life is a place for exchange. The other man and nawunya. There are various quotes you can follow. And to mature on your mensia, ubetintim oh life man anum. How your true identity or your self-image, your purpose, your values, your strengths, areas of improvement, and your philosophies or quotes. Another day, Mami Nyao with one quote. Life is what you make it. Abraba obuino, ejina woso. Oadie, ejina woni ukunso. Umeyi die, ejina woni ukunso. Ebusuan koso na oman koso, ejina me no wonso. Se yensin kete anya de sefata ya anya dia edimu ya anya odo kwan so a se ya na ebekọ no a na di gwasu akonsesere amanone abi abrabo empare me se me sesere ni onyame bo me se me odini obo so odini mo me empa ka de ni abrabo nsombo e wawrade ani aha na meja wo ana me kontem do eye adwumade wo machi enti ma me nkoe na me nkrao na me na Christopher cameraman ase na me nra sound room na me na osmosis ne nkrofo na me nko production team Thomas ena eja we be kampadu me damu nyina ase ene dey aha na meja wo ya me kan se enya fide ne free ha na badwuma dwuma de na ekoso woni wo nyame entina. Do you have your own